Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 1st of March 2021 to 7th of March 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your life, and you will able to make your life easy and better after watching this video. So let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Your Ascendant Lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu in Taurus sign. These 7 days is not very productive for you. You will be a part of any problem. You will see a lot of up and down in your professional life. You are not feeling comfortable. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Relationship with your family members will be matter of concern. Relationship with elders at your home will be matter of concern. You are not feeling happy and comfortable. Don't sign any new document. Don't start any new business venture, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you, because your ascendant Lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu. These 7 days, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a bit struggling for you when you are not comfortable in the terms of your earning, because your source of earning is not as per your expectations. Wednesday and Thursday, you're feeling a bit relaxed, but expectations, earning is not very well as per your expectations. So don't try anything new business venture. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone, because this time is not very productive for you, because your ascendant Lord is with natural malefic planet Rahu, and Venus is also your 7th Lord is also combust. So Friday and Saturday will be a better days for you, when you will enjoy good time with the family friend. But overall, this whole week brings a lot of challenge for you at your workplace, when you are feeling very low energy, disturbed, and your peace of mind is missing. You are trying to perform your best, but your seniors are not satisfied from your performance if you are in job. So try to perform your best and give your 1000% best at your workplace. But overall, this whole week brings a lot of challenge, lot of up and down, and you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling a lot of negative energy. You are feeling very low and very upset and disturbed. So my dear friends, chant mantra Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama every time, morning, evening, night, every time, and must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa 3 times in a night before you sleep, and must visit Lord Hanuman temple on Tuesday night or Saturday night. You will feel much relaxed, and you will be in a great confidence after doing this, after chanting this mantra or Lord Hanuman Chalisa, and visit Lord Hanuman temple. And I'm suggesting you don't invest your money anywhere. Aries, this is not very productive time. You will be a part of any problem, any litigation, or you may face a lot of financial crunch this week. So now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants from 1st March to 7th of March 2021. Taurus, this whole week brings a lot of good news for you. But unnecessary headache is there. Unnecessary tension are there. You may get promoted. You may get a salary hike, and you will enjoy a lot of monetary terms. Good fortune is in your favor, but your ascendant Lord is in combust, and Saturn is in on sign in 9th house, will give you a lot of good fortune, when you will enjoy all round success. But you need to perform your best, be honest, be humble, live your life in discipline, always follow the rules and regulations about your job at workplace. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. This whole week brings a lot of positive change for you. But unnecessary tension and headache is there, because Mars Rahu Angarak Yog is in your 1st house. You're not feeling comfortable. You are performing your best. You are doing everything in a nice way, but your mind is not free. Your mind is always disturbed. You're feeling negative, insecurity. You're feeling a lot of low energy. So don't think negative. Nothing happens wrong with you. This is a time only for the month of March and mid of the April, when Mars Rahu is in your 1st house, create a lot of confusion in your mind. But overall, you will be a part of any big venture. You will be a part of any successful venture in this week. Monday and Tuesday, biggest game changer days for you, when you will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health. You will enjoy very good monetary terms. You will enjoy all around success, and your health will be fine. Your finances will be upgrade, and your savings will rise. Wednesday and Thursday, your seniors are very satisfied from your performance and you will enjoy all around success. Taurus, you just need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains for you. If you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, you will definitely rock. Wednesday and Thursday, if you want to start something new, you may start, because this whole week brings a lot of new opportunities for you. अपने आप को डराएं नहीं, stay positive, stay happy, stay healthy and be positive thinker. If you think positive, then everything happens good with you. If you think negative, nothing happens good with you. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy one quality time with your family and friend. You may go for some short distance journeys and you will enjoy very good time there. Taurus, this whole week brings lot of positivity and positive energy for you if you think positive. So try to perform your best, try to put your 100% efforts at your workplace. You will definitely grow like a sun. You will definitely shine like a sun. Taurus, discipline, honesty and positive thinking is your keys of success in this week. From 1st March to 7th March, you will be a part of any successful venture and you will enjoy all around success, because this week is for you. Don't think about this, your ascendant lord is combust. But plus point is your 9th lord is transit in 9th house in a strong degree. It will give you lot of good fortune. So when good fortune is in your favor, your mud will become gold. So this is a very productive week for you, Taurus. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Gemini, you need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. Give some respect to your elders. Show your honor and respect to your elders. Don't use any wrong word in front of your elders. Try to be a polite talks. This whole week brings a lot of challenge, lot of struggle for you. But some unexpected gains are there from hidden sources. You need to be careful while signing any document. Someone may cheat you. If you are interested to willing in PR or work permit in foreign land, you will definitely blessed with a success. Foreign related activity will make you happy. This whole week from 1st March to 7th March, you will enjoy all around success. You will enjoy a lot of success related to foreign activities. If you are willing to apply work permit, this is the right time. If you are willing to travel in foreign land, this is the right time. If you are willing to apply for PR, then this is the right time. Or if you are already applying PR, you will get PR definitely. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your elders. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while investing your money in anywhere. Don't invest your money anywhere. Wednesday and Thursday will be a better days when you will enjoy some small gains from your workplace. And your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, but your work demand more efforts from your side, because Saturn is in 8th house, Jupiter is in 8th house, and Venus is combust, your 5th lord is combust. You need to put your 100% energy and efforts at your workplace, then you will get fantastic results. Otherwise, you will feel very low energy. You are not in a comfort zone. Friday and Saturday, again, you will be a part of any litigation or problem. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and expenditures is unbalancing. Gemini, perform your best. This is a time when God check your patience. Be in patience. Be relaxed. Don't think negative about yourself. You will be a winner after some time. But this year will bring lot of up and down for you. And this time, this whole week from 1st March to 7th March, you will learn lot of good things about your life, and you will gain lot of experience. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Some good ceremony happens at your home. You will enjoy very good source of earning. Your health will fine, your savings will rise, and you will be a part of any new business venture. You will get a lot of opportunity to start some new business, and this is a very good time. You will blessed with some unexpected gains. Mars Rahu is in your 11th house. You will get a lot of good gains from elder siblings. You will get a lot of good gains through higher authority. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your mother health. Your mother health will be a matter of concern. You're not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your mother or health of your mother will be create some problem in your mind. Wednesday and Thursday, you will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame at your workplace. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy all around success. Cancer, perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of positivity at your home. This whole week brings a lot of good gains in your workplace. You will enjoy all around success. Cancer, this week never come back. When Jupiter Saturn is in your 7th house, you will get lot of business opportunities. You will enjoy a lot of gains. Smart gains are there. Good health you will enjoy, and very good relationship with your elder and younger siblings. And Wednesday and Thursday you need to be careful, because these 2 days will be a biggest game changer for you. You will get a lot of new opportunities. You may execute any opportunity after thinking, because someone may try to promise something else and deliver you something else. And Friday and Saturday you may go for some short distance journey. It will make you happy and you will enjoy great success. Financial, you will be top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health, good gains, savings are there, some new partnership ventures are there. You will enjoy great success, Cancer. Read Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Read this mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. The more you chant this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, the more you feel positive energy and your mother health will be fine. Must read Shiv Chalisa every day morning 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You will feel much relaxed and better. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.